You get it?
Yeah, we can. Pretty kuyo. Aha. Aya gari no kawogo. Masigo gilta wawe yuri. Lada soon hat leader hatile hayori gari no. Ada? Mama get this enough. So what we want that leader le. Watatira lava fregi. Watu hawago lu haramu lu emhoni wago chibungio. We'll start off with a prayer. And we ask that everyone stands so we could sing Waguchi Bungyo. No, up the stage, no. Kayusa, Tati Umaisa. Down.
La digna seri, ruba wega fewo, uguietnan, tanan nasagu weyo, perudu be wachara, kesi ferendo wamanya, ha achara beao, migra balu wegwado, memege safabawa, idage sunribani, itarala.
Gayus Hermodi, Lara Memhema Lu Wafre Alu, Wemon Lemo Balis. Kindly stand as we sing the national anthem. Sereme, Yuhuma, Teresa Birado, Maren Vera Luago, Ayaha Delaya. Maren will welcome the crowd as you all are seated and listen to the welcome, please.
Good night, everybody. I'm slightly hoarse, but I'd like to welcome everybody to Mr. Garifuna 2024. These gentlemen have worked hard for the past weeks getting ready, and I am super proud of them for taking up this challenge. I believe that we are losing our Garifuna men. So hence the reason I feel that this is something that we need to continue, and I hope that in the future that we have males willing to come and do what the gentlemen will do on stage today. So with that, I'd like to thank you guys for attending and welcoming you to Mr. Garifuna 2024. All right, so Mr. Garifuna is a pageant that has been, restarted it. I have here tonight Mr. Robert Garcia, and he is the pioneer for Mr. Garifuna. He was the first person to plan and organize a Mr. Garifuna pageant. Tonight, Mr. Garcia, I honor you, and I thank you for also giving me the idea to have a Mr. Garifuna. I would like to have Mr. Garcia share some words with you to let you know how he started Mr. Garifuna, what his inspiration behind it and everything. So I will pass on the mic to Mr. Garcia because I don't want to talk for him, right? And I know he's ready. Push up?
No, you can reach.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to hear our experience when we started Mr. Garifuna here in Dangria. It was a group of us that we stick together and enjoy ourselves. So while enjoying, there where the idea came into me about the first Mr. Garifuna, who is known as Mr. Frank, late Mr. Frank Ihinio. They call him something like Hobbiness. He was the first Mr. Garifuna, which was held in the 50s, around 53, 54, thereabout. And from then till when we started, there was no Mr. Garifuna. So this is the way we started, right? A group of us stick together. And while we were together, we start to, have a little fun drinking beers, drinking liquor and things like that, right? And so while drinking, it seems that the head opened up. And I told them that the only Mr. Garifuna I may know is the said man that I have mentioned before. So the rest of them decide now that good, let's have Mr. Garifuna. So we have Mr. Garifuna, which started 1998. 1998 we started it. And we have the group that we call Happy Couples at that time. We called it Happy Couples. So when the idea came up to me while drinking, the rest of them said, all right, make one Mr. Garifuna program. Right, that's what we did. The first program we made, like we're going to do tonight, this is our first program. I won the contest. And while I won the contest, I gave a story about what I heard at the time. Right? That two young fellows went to the grave space and start to reap the cashew. So after they done reap, they start to count. While counting, the caretaker of the space came up and heard the counting. And what he heard was one for you, one for me. One for you, one for me. And while they were reaping, two of the cider fruit cashew fell out the ground, the grave space. So after they don't share, excuse me, while they were sharing, the caretaker heard this, and he got called the priest, that was my role again in the commencement of Mr. Garifuna. I was the priest. Father, this is where he had a burying ground. The devil, God had devil to share the dead. So I make the preparation for care, the incense, the holy water, and a prayer. But it so happened that when we reached there, I don't hear the counting. All right here, how about the two outside the gate? Which was now myself and the caretaker and myself. So instead of stay there, the priest run, which me had to run. I run because I can't hold them from what they did. And so we had other members in the group that said, all right, make we bring back Mr. Garifuna. And that's what we did. We brought it back. And our first show, like this tonight, was held in Holy Ghost School. Right? And the first item in our program at that time was introducing the members, which they call happy couples. And after we introduced ourselves to the public, we bowed down and we came outside. And then we start with one person. We start with one person. So, the idea with what you all are doing, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it because if we notice today, our children can't talk Garifuna. They cannot talk Garifuna. And that is what needed in the program that we did. That's why I went up and I make a program. I start to relate the story, what I heard, what the caretaker, the burying ground heard. And we have intervals in between. After the intervals, the next person who will go up, which would be the second actor. And his program, while the judges are observing, his program is telling a story. His program was dancing. Let me see if I can remember the song that we started with. It was a song that Liet Gabaga sing. All right, so that was it. So what happened tonight, I am well satisfied with it. The only thing is that we need to get to our children, make them learn to talk Garifuna. Because if they talk about Garifuna, they can go to the library where they have by whether school they name Gulisi. They will find the history when the Garinagu reach here in this country, Belize. And after that, my brothers and sisters, we ended. And because we ended, people were so enjoying it, enjoying the program. And there were some actors that make the people laugh, man. Till when we do it the second year, people ask me, Mr. Garcia, the tickets, they don't come out already? I said, no, not yet. The person tell me now, I don't buy my Pampers already. Because they will laugh at whatever things they do. So, my brothers and sisters, I will end again by saying, let our children know for talk Garifuna. Thank you.
Mr. Garcia, on behalf of the Mr. Garifuna Committee and LONLD, I would like to present you with this certificate of recognition for starting Mr. Garifuna and for giving us a legacy that we can keep going on. So thank you, Mr. Garcia.
Yes, good night once again. Let's give Mr. Garcia another round of applause. I look at Mr. Garcia as being Eleho Bene, who starts the Garifuna Settlement Day. All right? He started a program that is very important. And Mar, also thanks for keeping it up, because I noticed that you have this every year. All right? Keep it up, Mar. It's a good thing. Let's give Mar a round of applause also. All right. With no further ado, we're going to call the candidates up because I know that is what you all want to see. But before they come up, this event supposed to take place 17th. But because of Sarah, she may want to stop it. She still stop it, but she don't want to stop the whole 19th. But Elejo Benny and TV Ramos come stronger than her and stop her. Right? And I know there was a big bash out here on the 19th. So we call on our first candidate with a paranda.
Na Giribuduba lo na Chamorogo wanarwa home. Ceremony home.
Agama Humasa Kalelo. Capella Castillo. Capella Castillo. Demeta lagara ko kaledo goni umamete akala chamurgo musu wanargo. Chugul beta hu hakato reme higa. Wagora ya luago Kiran Hernandez. Kemalab. Gayusa. Wahumetia.
Guyo Hausungobe. Aule Kinan Hernandez. This is Sis Iromo now. Guyo le na Rufo da Gua Nungwa Ho where Chico Ramos. Aba Wagore le Ichawati Lungwa Lido Suluere Oremo. Agamba Hamute Saluago Laduge Kate. Niyabiaba me lo narufodoni lo wataro wari Herman Chico Ramos home ni duhayo sereme
Ema labo anema keti pariele Hernandez, Wagora Tiluago, Lenique Ricketts, Lau Meme, Hugo, Kemalau. Hanema Tafari, Agaba Hamaya Biamahara, Aniati Hurwa, Kemalau.
Niguyo, Niduheyo, no Madago. Aule, Lenny, Ricketts, Nirbe. Pain again, Niabe. This will ceremony.
Who blow? Mr. Ricketts, grow my who blow. Lausu Peliga, Ania. Adugo madlo be kemalau. Umeno. Kemalau. Aha, anate. Nabe ga fudo bonu wala da sabide tinga ho. Ah? Subide na ho. Ah, dugo baisa. Subide na ho. Mama nuge kacho mama. Mama kacho. Nugele Dimasu Niribe. Domingo. Ya Georgetown Genyabi. Ladugatile libidie ninasyon no nadim reality hu reiti gwele. Manu marswalog how. Inarine guest subudit ninasyon no. Aha. Anu enege. Aba alugo ato dilitu yara. The bar is over there for juice, beers, mixed drinks, then a kitchen whenever you get hungry. Just a little bit of, how you call it, housekeeping. The bathroom is at the corner here. And we are not to forget our drummers. Let's big up the drummers. Give them a round of applause. Then we also need to big up the Gayusa. You know, because what happened is that you hardly find teenagers knowing how to sing. Then they're right in that corner, I do my lead thing for the corner because it vibrate. Not also to forget our judges. On the extreme corner, the male judge is Mr. Francis Flores. I don't remember that young lady first name, but I know she that. Garcia Martinez de Valerio. All right, she is Miss Dana Garcia Martinez. Put your hands together for the judges. We have one more contestant, but the vehicle broke down, so he can't reach. Secondly, before he get in the vehicle, it flooded out. So he can't even get in the vehicle. All right? That hails all the way from Cayo, but he was unable to reach. So right now, we only have our 3 young, gentle guys who are ready to present themselves with other items. There's an interval. I don't know what the interval will be, but if anybody out there is ready to put off a little story or riddle, we have space for that for the meanwhile. Don't forget the bar. I'm getting a bit thirsty. All right? But as soon as I get off of this stage, just to 1, 2. And the second one is for the road. We continue, but I still don't want to forget about Mr. Garcia at the corner. Let's continue give Mr. Garcia another round of applause, man. Mr. Gar, that's a great job, you know. A wonderful idea. All right? We're calling back the contestant on stage with a chumba and then leave with a sambai. That's on the program. If it is what, just tell me where you want to dance and we could change it because you know written past stone. Right? So where you want to come up with? Chumba then punta? Chumba then? Luan chumba. Luan chumba they say. All right? We call back our first candidate. Okay. See? Request. You just do what you got to request. All right? We've called on the stage no other than Khalid Castillo with a combination. Hagamuti akila Kina bukinan Wakuga sa lao Kema lao Kina Hernandez Let's put our hands together. Another round of applause for 3 of these candidates. Put it together. Are we enjoying? Are we enjoying? All right, all right. All right. Meanwhile, these guys are getting ready to come on again. All right, these guys are coming up again with now chumba, and they go off with sambai. All right, so we go on with chumba, guys. Calling the first candidate on stage, no other than Khalil Castillo. Put it together for Khalil. Khalid. Okay. Sorry, mate. Khalid is fishing. Laucha hai Khalid. Or latu hai. Oh no, latu hai. Chuela. Batu hai sakate hi. I think he is pulling some kind of item, some kind of fruit. Yeah, he pull it now, he taste it, he put it down. You look at it. Alright, good. He gonna sit and he gonna enjoy that fruit, I think, yes. Oh yes, it's very delicious. Huh? He pull another, tasting, alright. Checking it out if it is okay. He stands up. Dancing, looking for something. Oh, he sight, all right. He sight that specific object. Picks up an object, okay. Pulling his shirt with the fruits that he pulled already. Looking at it, he aim, he's doing it. He missed that one. He missed it. Ah, yeah. I know you want to catch it. Catch him, man, sorry. Oh, all right. He's doing it again. He still missed. This ball, you don't pick him, man. You don't pick him. Pick it now with the last shot. See it right there? Correct. Catch him. Ruggles. You catch it. Yes, you catch a bunch. Yeah. I know that the last one we will catch in because if you never catch it, yes, I. He catch that fruit there, so he's nice. All right. Coming up on stage, second candidate, no other than Karen Hernandez. Karen the pull. He broke, broke again. Okay. This ball is muscular one. Very muscular. He pull and lift up again. Put it together. Okay. Oh, the last minute I'll show there. He catch again. Put it together. He wrap it up. Oh, he wrap up something around her. Tie it. Tie again. Oh, he tie head tie. Why? Catch a gun. You catch a gun. Oh no. Please not shoot none of them people out there, so. Why? Load up the gun, alright. Load it up. Crack up. You miss? Well, I like miss, man. Crack up. Pow! 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 Oh no, how much you catch? 3 bullets. You find her? It look pretty, it look pretty. Oh yeah, he catch up. Boy, that was heavy. Look like that danto. Oh, hey. It look like he catch a danto with a bullet. That was danto. Next, no arena unique. Break it. Lenique coming up on stage. Looking up, looking around. Lenique looking around. He spot that. Okay. Looking for something around him. He look up again. Oh, he look for something up there, yeah. You catch on too, all right? Oh, that coconut. Why, that bunch drop. Missing foot. Sweat up. Got the hook again. Push up. Get in some more coconuts. Drop right in my head. Oh, hell. That one hurt. I could imagine if he may drop in on my ball one. If he may drop in on my ball head, he miss my boss. Oh, he kick it. Oh, I don't play football with coconut. He play football with coconut. He hurt it too. Point together for all 3 candidates. All right. Well done, well done. This contest is tight. A tight job. If honor for judge, I will put it in our hand. If honor for judge, that means for win, right? Exactly so. I don't win my long time. I win on the mic. Pan the truck. All right, calling on Master Chris to put off his item. Master Chris is right here. Yeah, doing his thing. That is step right there, Master Chris. Yes. Put it together for Master Chris.
Biti goyong. Anatina loyana hama dangiga. Ira Mr. Dangiga pageant, Mr. Garifuna pageant. Came along. Have a paranda. Watati obalawa about chumba or the Kabala. Whatever you give me, that's right. Came along. Hey, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, and a Tido, 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 Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Ayaya Sarago, Karina Guile de, Mafia Tiata, Lila Rasa Garifuna, Ayaya Sarago, Karina Guile de, Mafia Tiata, Casameke Bay Home, Igo Gusungarina go, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Igo Gusungi Sanigo, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, Tido Tabuyeba, oh. Hey, hey. Make it hama, mama hua ole. Make it hama, mama hua ole. Dale habelu tiro, tiro hama. Cultura le, bene hama. Igo gusungarina go. Tiro tabuyeba, tiro tabuyeba, tiro tabuyeba. Igo gusungisani go. Tiro tabuyeba, tiro tabuyeba, tiro tabuyeba. Come on, come on, come on. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mama lukunda ba wore. Bugaya be heyano. La su begi begaya. Mama lukunda ba wore. bega ya. Amanu guna ba wore. Kamala la 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah. Manugonda, 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 Gunda, Gunda, Bugaya, Heyano. Lasu Begi, Begaya. Mama, Nugunda, Bow. Come on. Next track. One track for the road. Whoever wins, it's a nice contest. Every year we have it. So we'll go. Come on. Come on. Mr. Garifuna, Daviga, Mr. Garifuna, Daviga, Mr. Garifuna, Waiter Daviga, Mr. Garifuna, Waiter Daviga. We got 3 contestants, we run for it. We got 3 contestants, we run for it. And 3 are there, look like they have it. And 3 are there, look like they will win. But only one can win, one can win, one can win like that. Only one can win, one can win, one can win like that. Only one can win, one can win, one can win like that. Only one can win, one can win. Take it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah! Put it together again for Master Chris! Oh, yes!
One more.
Yeah!
One more.
Oh, they request one more, guys. One more from Master Chris. Mr. Chris, come on. Calling on one more from you. You have fans from out there, inside, side.
Well, you know I lost my mama May 22nd of this year, so you know mama say logo. God remember sing in room town. Lost my mama May 22nd, went to heaven. You know, she 85 years old. So Papa ran up for the females. About no go one go, little so funny. Salago wagia, itoga no ya. Deleti Wabagari, pero bimete. Deleti Wabagari, pero bimete. Deleti Wabagari, pero bimete. Deleti Wabagari, pero bimete. The Garifuna life is hard. Garifuna life is sweet. Garifuna life is hard. But it is sweet. Mama, you got to heaven. Left me over here in the suffering. But I'm here to survive. Hey, he's a mission home. Karina, yeah, he's a mission home. Karina go wagia, he's a mission home. Karina go wagia, he's a mission home. Never ever do I, hey, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia. Kabaharinga, kabahaduga, kabaharinga, nikata. Hey, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia. Subusila lubo, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia, Karina go wagia. When they hammer, hey, no matter what you do, you cannot knock us down. No matter what you do, we will always survive. We came from Africa, we came from Africa, we came from Africa, we came from Africa. We came to Europe in 1310 and 1311 AD, before 1492, when they said they came here. Wagiale, wagia, wagiale. Shanti hafonua, shanti hafonua, shanti hafonua, shanti hadeganua. Karina guagia, Karina guagia, Karina guagia, Karina guagia. Karina go wagi, wagi, wagia, wagi, wagi, wagia, wagi. He said, me say home. Thank you. Seveme. I will stand up for the root and the culture. He said, me say lobo, wagiale.
Well done, Papa Chris. Well done. Everybody enjoy for Chris, man. Let's put it together for Chris again, man. Let's hear it, let's hear it. Chris Garifuna Wabagari, he said, Miss Yehu, Lina Rugetti. We call back the candidates with standby. All right, after the standby and ecumenical guys, you're going to take it up so that you can do your show. Meanwhile, we come to the main items. So right now, we call the candidates up with a standby. Drummers, take it up. Don't forget that we got a bar aside there. Then we got a kitchen. Then we have the bathroom at the side. Put it together. Drummers, standby. Get to you to buy one girl shot. Just believe that. Living my life over the media. DJ in the bar, cut off the DJ music, man. DJ in the bar, cut off the music. DJ in the bar, you're the Bluetooth. Life over get to youth, man, I believe her. Life in the ghetto. Never seen so amazed, but missing a leg up. Gunshot every day, could I hear the echo? For my mind, killers, them a slip up. Drilling a rubber slippers. Kitty. Alright, thank you. No, the music's still on. Somebody Bluetooth though. Fifth gen when me roll up on my lap. No speaks pretty use for the box. That's why me I roll like my mad. Them just care where we are. Grew up in the ghetto so we know so we bad. Out of the streets so we in a Louis Vuitton. Get to you to buy him one girl shot. Just remember that DYFA is out here picking up all your actions. All right? And DYFA will replay. No worry about nothing, because DYFA will show everything that you do out here. So, Put it together for the 3 candidates with their standby. All right, ecumenically take it up. It's your show. All video on this group. Oh, they go past stage. All right. Wanna take it? Here is the mic.
Keenan, backstage, please. Keenan Hernandez, backstage, please. Serme.
Nelumote wachara Garina Guagia. Mabuleda wa meti awana siyo wawae.
All right, put it together for the dance group. They put up their show. You know, they cut it short, you know. Not true? Because I expect that all the females may do a how you call it, a Lee Artaroy. I feel like they're Lee Artaroy, you know? Yeah. But anyhow, that was a good thing, We get together and we get ready for the individual, the main item. But before they get ready, we want to hear our Lee story. I know nobody want to hear a story. Can I know Beluria time too? I agree. But we look for Kilo Ali time just that the guys they get ready for the next item. So ecumenical, we got next thing. How about that? What about to go for $1 na Uraga? And her name to get in Uragat. No, la de gatine DYFA ya. Matthew baita DYFA leader gana about the go. Nigia leader. Ma about the go button. Ecumenical, put up for next show, man. Just still when the guy is ready. And do a thing. Yeah, see? Everybody the call, you know. Come back, man. Cha. And I know, ready. Next item, ecumenical. Already? Kayusa, red cap. Come up, young man. When you see this young man, take off your cap. Show them who you are. Your head look bad. All right, don't worry about it. You see this young man? This young man, what they call music box. He full of lot of song. Not your breath? And about the Bahuarno, Tiger Aba Tiger. Ada? Wabas Aba Nuyaga. I put the man for the spot that the mouth tremble because he can't call one immediately. So he just says, Sir, mate, that's not the answer, man. He just me for sing out one. All right? But I'm proud of you, youth, man. I'm proud of you. You and the crowd. I'm proud of you. All right? You and the crowd. Proud. Will you keep up the culture? And just make sure you trickle it down to the younger ones. Bring that in. Bring that in. Just like how Mr. Garcia said, make we learn it. Because I remember when I did an Orange Walk, Youth Connection cut the song with Andy Palacio. Anyhow, Andy P missing, and the boy said, well, boy, Andy P missing, so we have to sing this song. Rhythm come true, boy, and watch me for the flow. Because the rhythm don't start. Then when the lead vocals pick it up and say, hey, monkey, the top of your ma, I say, oh no, you throw me off. So I come off. Understand? Bamodili high your ma. And the man say, monkey, the top of your ma. Wrong. The same thing where they do it, they got an next Paranda song where we sing, you know. Hey, Gunda Badina. Right? I'm telling you, Gio. Abalawa go Gio yenge. Oh, who that batty man? Yeah, Gio. We bat. So Gunda Tinati, la her friend on Iran, Liwicha Iremu. Magaba dogo hamamu gay can't hagabo the Nigion. Yeah. But watch out, I don't know in this music. I don't in this music. And they got the rhythm. But and the people missing. So they put in where they want. So don't worry about it. We ready to back this up? Alright. Gayusa. The tallest young man back there, say you know the songs. We're here, come with. All right. Then the next young man, we're coming with it. Aha. You know the song too? All right. And everybody know how to play it too. Good. Then the next young man for PG, which is our brother, when he say, wait for say again, what? Aha. He say, Leremu, and then drummers community Paranda. All right, just listen to that, Leremu. Please not take it like Youth Connection. We ready, guys? All right, calling on stage. Calling on stage, no other than Mr. Castillo with a Wanayagua.
Ni duheyo, no wende ya, hiaro no goya, na bina hati home, gwele, seremenya home.
Wagwara Tiluago, Kiran Hernandez. Tawanda.
Thomas Vincent Ramos diribe warute le adarobane afedo garinago. Thomas Vincent Ramos diribe warugute le adarobane afedo garinago. So pussy tisa ho kala oremo lira le remwe Herman Chico Ramos Aba Uguri Ichagoti Lungwa Lido Uremu Lela Doga Lungwa Kembiri that ran the Irumu law Afaehe Leremu Ya Balisi Lido Gayegua Ubo He Sieti Hamuganu Lona follow Doni Ugodarigi We Chico Ramos Memege Merumo Haditina Nafa Gubado Nigera Dilo Abale Seremeniaho.
Tiguyo Garago Yadina Lu Nayanoha Mohobob Flores pantatina la ladago, Geremo adit. A fiatina game leader la bayacho Garifuna duo. Gwelete na remo la he abale remo. Dangwi gabadena ebana marida. Ariana runa darie mama ye badena. Dangwi gabadena ebana marida. Ariana runa darie mama ye badena. Igra bariguma. Dani ragualo ni dangwi gao. Aya sunadarie nebuga honi numarigo. Aya sunadarie nebuga honi numarigo. Nidoheyo no madago seremenyaho.
Serme, Buite get to work any time I go to Banalubay. Nabona wayata home, Lubaga, so we have a grip to go. Sagati Lagumuchu Hati, Hafain or my stuno. Lagumuchu hati abana dungo kuhama urwa sudar. Lagumuchu geti la fayono. Aba widi lube aba miti gashu. Wagai hati waigi gayu. Tilo me hadan to get seme ti me ata gayu. Sakti bagambu fayeti gayu. Sag bagambu fayeti. Italia sag bagambu fayeti. Aha. Webga bugati tira restauranto. Wachulu ye aransa gota ui to tigib. Abati hawa gugen ha tigibu. Aba webelu ho wagia aba wafido. Fayedo. Laba hati aba webelu. Aba hawa gugen ha Katengbe? Kangbe wugen ha? Luti ta hidero gunina. Fumi ati aba webelu aba wengu tigibu. Aba webelu aba weigi. Faye wage aba wasaliro. Webelu lag leli biya mahati. Anaya tigibu ito aba hawa wugen ha? Faye wage la weigi aba wafuido. Tagaba yad of nati miti gashu kito abati tengu nebukata alla kala tigibu bay. Abati di lurwa hati lewe beluru. Abay hawa gugen ha. Let the hawa go be we get tigibo abate hi go suna rogo. Abate tengo bo go siono chongwa na mukaya. Abdeta no kala tengo po ken wa ngabu go sio chongwa aba wa ribdo. Mebelu toiga. Let me translate. The first month we went into this Chinese restaurant. We ordered our food and we ate, we paid. But this Chinese restaurant, the owner have a face in 7th gear or 10th gear. The second month we went back. And when we reached there, we shout again, Tigibu, her face. So behind our back, she went and asked, what is Tigibu? So the third month we went back. And by the time we showed Tigibu, she looked in towards the kitchen and she said, all we heard is Gusio, which is knife, chongwa is chop. So we reverse. We do not continue that journey. Guys, you ready? Ladiga memta wanasio. Gata wachura halida wanasio. Ahe genga di tubay boba or lo boba. Gufaya na hamamu. Gata hona buni leader. Pae get hibi dele badima hawago amu leader wanasio aba hauna bugio. Abati haluguru ni bafaruati. Wibat. All right, we're gonna call the candidates back on stage with a punta, and whenever they reach on the stage, they stay on the stage. And when they stay on the stage, it is for you all to look at them. They will model. No, because this is not a modeling contest. All right, they stay on stage and get ready for their question and answer. That's what will happen. So calling on the first candidate, Mr. Castillo, come on stage with a punta, followed by Mr. Hernandez with the same punta, and Mr. Ricketts with the same punta. Whenever Mr. Castillo step in, he dance and go back over there. Hernandez comes, dance and go in the middle. Ricketts come, dance and stay at the edge. By the way, before we call the candidates, Mr. Garifuna last year supposed to have been here, but he's in England because he's a king. So he decided not to come because he's on his throne. But the throne that he's on is somewhere here in Dangriga. All right, somewhere here in Dangriga. And if you listen to the pronunciation of Dangriga, you all know what I'm talking about. And I won't say it because if I say it, when I go back somewhere, I'll be sliced on the throat. All right? Calling on first candidate, Mr. Castillo, come on stage with a punta, Gayusa, drummers, Ruhumaino.
Hey!
We have all three candidates up here. And when I say three, they are three dynamic guys. Am I right? Put it together for those guys. And bedrins, you know that done winners. For the time when you come up here, winners. Before you even come up here, as you know, agree for take part, that you know that done winner. Right? But just like how Pa Chris said, we have three candidates. How you sing it again? One half a win. Yeah, correct. I can't sing, you know, so that's the part. If I sing, it rain. All right, your question, Mr. Castillo. And when I ask you this question, please not answer me in a Creole nor English. Put her in a Garifuna. I broke one before. So they got this candidate. Yeah, right. This candidate going for Miss Garifuna, representing a specific village. So they asked the candidate a question. And they said, I'll ask you this question in English and you answer in Garifuna. So the question goes like this. If you are supposed to win this contest tonight, what will you tell the youths out there? I repeat, if you were supposed to win this contest tonight, what are you going to tell the youths out there? She pick up the mic, she shake up. Well, when she shake up, I said she got it. Pull up. Anyhow, when I said she got it, she stand up and she said, Abraham go hungry ya ni village here. Don't lose. The village is not Garifuna. All right, we move on. Mr. Cass, not do that. Your question. I have to go down low. All right. Easy question normally, why? What is your favorite dance? I repeat. You see how you step up? I hope. Learn about it, Mr. Cass. You got this. I know you got this. What is your favorite dance?
Neduheyu wanarwa ceremony home.
Put it together for Mr. Castillo. Yes. Mr. Hernandez. Who is your favorite artist? Oh, okay. That's not the question. I get corrected. I like that. Who is Herman Chico Ramos?
Nidoreyo werie Herman Chico Ramos Aba Wogori Ichagoti Lungwa Lido Uremu Lela Duga Lungwa Kemberi da Randi Iromo Law Afaye Leromo Ya Balisi Lido Gayegua Ubo Ceremony.
Then we shout. We shout, Chuck. Just because we hear Chico Ramos. Oh no. Why not Paul Nabor? Or why not Domingo Valerio? Why watch out? And when I sing too, I will sing it like the Balifayana. All right. Mr. Ricketts, your question is, who is your favorite Garifuna artist? Who is your favorite Garifuna artist?
Niduheyo Mohobok
Flores, ceremony.
All right, all three candidates answered their question correctly. All right, they answered their question correctly. Which guy are you? Buga woman. What buga? Oh, there is serenade. Serenade guy. Red cap. Dano red cap. When I know I give you a name, because I know how they call you that name. Pull up. That you I sing there out. All right. These guys are going off stage because they have been serenaded by 2 or 3 beautiful young ladies. So take it up, Paranda, off stage. Yes. Put it together for all three candidates. These guys are very, very dynamic. One small announcement. We want to hear the announcement? Imagine there's an announcement that the Shaka competition will be held at Island Breeze Bar on the 38th of this month. I think it is 10 and 15 to enter. Even if you broke, sell battle man. Battle watcher. Battle money, expense, it good. Sponsors. I don't get all the sponsors, you know. But the sponsors, some of the sponsors are Niche, Garimaya, you know hear the rest? All right. Niche, Garimaya, I write to Ali China too, I think that Boeing. And Tipsy who? Tipsy Thursday. All right. Miss Mar, please make the continuous sponsor. Please mention the rest, because directly I call few and they feel jealous, so next year they know we give it. Yeah, so please mention the rest. But let's big up camera this way on the judges, please. Let's big up the judges who have the decision in their hands, and whatever decision they make here, it is valid. You could go outside and shush their business. But right here, it don't say. Right? No other than Mrs. Denia Garcia Martinez. Put your hands together for her. Mr. Francis Flores. And our third judge are you. You all have your decision. But the final is on the table. All right? So, what day we hangout? One of we Bali call on and they say, boy, Johnny dead. Not Johnny, sir, please. Just one of we Bali we said Johnny. Boy, Johnny dead. One of the Bali where they hang out inside, they say, when the funeral, the man say, when the wake, because I'm hungry. They have to go funeral before repass, right? But when they wake, he not talk about funeral because he hungry. And if you tell him next week Thursday, but it's still too far. So if somebody never dead, how you may eat? Anyhow, I know you know your answer. I don't want your answer either because you're too rough. I know. You got some rough answers. Oh no, I tell you no answer, man. I tell you no answer. I should have tell you answer, then you never may answer. All right, we move on. Judge's decision. I can't say good daddy part. No, man. The man don't give me the flashlight, but one the writer, so I the user. Anyhow, judge's decision is the final decision. Is it number one? Is it number two? Is it number three? All right. I'm happy that all I want to answer because nobody there for boo. We can't boo because we are done winners. All right? And either also one of the winner because either the main stage individual. Make the announcement. 15 for the ticket, 10 by the gate. That's what I get. Right? So I tell you what I get. So I don't want later on to come back and say, boy, 10 for the ticket and 15 at the gate. That's never that you tell me. So 15 for the ticket, 10 at the gate. So I will wait for the gate. No, that's what the man tell me. All right, the man will make the announcement the correct way.
Yes, good night, everybody. Good night. I'm from DYFA Garifuna Radio Station. The Shaka competition's coming up on the end of the month, the 30th. So everybody we're over 55 going for free. All right, we're giving all the elders there. Once you're over 55 years old, you're going for free. We're giving that away. That's everybody, right? Everybody over 55. I think all the elders, we always left them out, so we got to give them a treat, right? So this is the international Shaka competition. We have a lot of contestants, and Sarah take it for on the 16th, right? Yeah. That was Sarah though. So I don't want to take up more time. So 16th on 16th in the month, November right here next week at Island Bar and Breeze, 55 years and up, you get in for free.
All right, I represent me ID one time. All right, we're moving on. We have the bar. We have the bar, we have the kitchen, and we have the bathroom this way. All right. There our time. Remember village life? Brian Mosiah used to go about, every village life. Fern, at the top, be quiet. Every village life, Brian Mosiah announced it per Love FM. And then everybody who intend for our booth pay our $25. So they got one of this ballet where can't talk English good. So he practiced for 3 weeks. What he got at the booth. So the child, the trainer, dad, that's so you for said. We got cane, we got watermelon, and we got orange. Wait for said dad, we got cane, we have watermelon, we have orange. Say it again, dad. We have cane, we have watermelon, we have orange. 3 weeks practice, 3 weeks. Brian Mosiah, come in now for the village life. So he gone and he said, Mr. Francis Flores, what do you have at your stall? Mr. Francis said, where he got the stall. Miss Dana Garcia Martinez, what do you have at your stall? She said, boy, when the time for reaches Balia. So he said, sir, what is your name? I know I say your name, because DYFA know I cut it. I know I say your name, because DYFA will keep that name. But the man mentioned his name. Domingo. So what do you have at your stall? The man said, we have the kind, we have the watermelon, and we have the orange. 3 weeks practice. And it's still pronounced wrong. Kind, watermelon, orange. 3 weeks practice. What's going on there? Tongue twist, tongue twist. Tongue twist. Yeah. Hey, listen, now he win my prize, because each booth, Brian take out $50 for give who got the best product. And because the healthy food or healthy fruits, you get the 50, but the pronunciation is minus 25. Domingo win. And you see, if I give you a name, you will still laugh because the name terrible now. When I start teach the orange walk, and when I gone to this village, I afraid to bring out my name because my name is Spanish. So they asked me, sir, what is your name? I said, Francis. I know I use Domingo because the ballet, They were criticizing me because I got a Spanish name and a Garifuna at the top. Anyhow, 3 weeks after, they come back and say, sir, what your name? Domingo. I forgot for say Francis. So when I said Domingo, they laugh. How a person was named Domingo? Just like Sabot say my pa foolish. Because Sabot say, my pa only look for a calendar and he say, all right, my son when named Domingo. Sabot is an idle guy. We ready with the judge's decision? Where is it? Where is it? I hope when you go home, you don't piss on the bed they laugh. Don't think back on these jokes. Mr. Gar? All right. The Chinese one? I meet the Gashipto. You have something to say?
Good night, everybody. Good night. The tabulator is adding up the scores. So I would just like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for supporting this event. I thank you for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you, Kim. I would like that the people watching outside see how brave these gentlemen are, and then whenever they see events like this happening, to kindly support, because the support, to be honest, was not there. I guess maybe it's because of the storm. I'll blame Sarah. I will blame Sarah for everything. So I guess it was that, and then they and but I am grateful though for the little help that we received. You know, my granny used to always say, one cocoa full the bag, right? So a little 50 from this one, a little 30 from here, a little 100 from here, and that's the reason why we could have had this pageant here tonight. So I am appealing to the public that, you know, whenever you see events that are positive for young men, kindly support, because we are losing our young men. Our young men are pulling out guns, they are in prison, they are dead. You know, so when we see positive things like this, I'm appealing to you again to kindly support. I would like to thank Easy Investments, Basila Zabani, Niche, Bowen and Bowen, Gary Maya, Quality Poultry, Kopali Rum, Sancast Company, Tipsy Thursday for hosting us. Like I said, we didn't get much sponsorship and support, but we made it happen. And thank you guys for supporting us today. First prize is $500. Second prize is $300. And third prize is $2. So it's something, you know, it's something. But we are hoping that maybe next year we could have more to give to these gentlemen who go out of their way to practice, go out of their way to be on the stage and to be a part and to show that, you know, they are good young men out here, and anybody could come on stage and anybody could show their Garifuna the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you again. And don't go anywhere because we have live drumming after the Pageant so get Habinaha. Yes. So thanks again.
All right, since DYFA is, we catch DYFA way down Independence, and we catch DYFA way down PG, that's why we got our PG representative. So next year, our push for a Georgetown representative, our St. Bite representative, our Hopkins representative. Then I expect also that we got our ecumenical representative, our Delil, our Henry, you know, and then we could push that one for Belize could come too. Where you say, Mar?
I totally agree.
Yeah. And Libertad, also Belmopan.
Libertad was a retarded.
Again, well, I have the judge's decision, guys. Please, don't pick up sand and stone for me. That don't mean do this thing, all right? Okay. And then we are only going to announce the first prize. To be honest, guys, this thing was tight. It was very, very, very tight. Yes, I was watching the scores, and for me, I got synchronized because I don't know what will happen. So, Mr. Valero, you'll do the honors, or should I?
Come on stage, Maren. Ask them to come out.
Alright, so we're gonna call back the contestants. One more say contestants at the Punta. Nation.
Punta.
So we are making the Punta leave it, right? Okay.
Alright, if you want to see we guys come up, we have to mention our dance. None of we dance name anything. Alright. Yeah. Calling the candidates with a punta. Same order, Mr. Castillo, then Mr. Hernandez, then Mr. Ricky Ricketts. Came along. Put it together for all contestants. You see what happened is that we just find our candidate. So he just appear. She's the next year candidate, not this year. Alright, but she's only substituting for the outgoing Mr. Garifuna so that she can crown all the winners. So why you do for me to cut that? You put Garifuna pieces. Alright, and you keep the Mr. Alright, the judge's decision is already placed in my hands. And I'm only going to read it out to you. The winner is no other than hold up, Joma, hold up. Yeah, that's why I like, man. You know that like they say young lady in the village, you know, hype up. And I like that, but you know. All right, the winner is no other than, that's him. Exactly so. The Shaka competition is 30th of November at Island Breeze Bar. 15 at the, no, the man come make the correction. 15 at the door, 10 before you get to the door. And the winner is no other than, I can't take home my paper. No other than Kilo. Shake up on another hand. That's sportsmanship, exactly. Sportsmanship. Same, guys. Nobody will walk fire. Nobody will walk fire without anything. Alright? Everybody will get something.
Keeping it clean. You know, it's an art. It's love Abba Eastern Yagi. 91.7 from DYFA Garifuna Radio Station. Bring it to you live and direct into your living room, straight alive. Luto here, Abba Eastern. Ayo.